Hi. So today I'm with my sister. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Well, I do something here really quick.
Wait for the black.
Okay. So this is my sister. This is me. Welcome back to Angelique's Life. Make sure you subscribe and like.
Right there or right there.
Yeah, it's not right there, but it's fine. She just watches videos. I don't know why. Okay. I cracked that too loud. This is don't say who it is. I'll show them now. It is give a drum. Ready? Ryan.
I'm so excited to open it. Whoa! What's that inside?
I don't know. Okay, guys, let's open it now.
That's
I don't want to wait anymore. Okay, let's start. I hear my little brother screaming right now. Okay. By the way, he's 6 months. Ready? Oh, close your eyes. Just pick one. Wait. She's brushing. Go.
I want to pick one. I want one.
Just pick one.
This one. I want this.
Just open it.
1, 2, 3.
Is that Ryan?
Yeah.
Look. Here.
That's so.
Look, that's Ryan. Let me see. Say happy game. Okay, so this is one. Now it's my turn. Ready?
Close your eyes.
I know how to do it. Okay, ready? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh my god! We got another Ryan! Look! And there's a little hammer! I'm gonna put it in his hand. Here. Look.
Yeah, look. It's baby too.
Doesn't it look cute?
And then a matching too. I want the water.
Okay, let's just get in the video with that. Let's just get in the video. Okay. So, put this in here. Which egg did you open? Do you remember? Wait. Don't open any egg yet. I don't know which one she did. Who did this one? Oh yeah, it was this one. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs left, and they comes 7 eggs, right? 7 eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Your turn, right?
Yeah.
Don't. I know you're peeking. Stop trying to peek. No, you're supposed to go that again because you're peeking. Close your eyes.
I want this.
Go.
I want.
No. Wait. Go.
I want this one.
No, she didn't let me spin. What are there? Oh, look what she got! Is that a little fox? Oh my god, that's my favorite character.
Oh,
Look how cute. It's your character though.
oh, look, it's open.
Yeah. Let me pick one. Okay. Now we only got 4 more left, right?
Yeah. 3 more left.
No, 4.
No.
4. Yeah, 4. Okay.
No, 3.
Yeah, 4.
Oh, God.
Just let me. Ready?
Yeah.
Trying to argue with me. Ready? Wait. I'm sorry. Okay.
Oops. No peeking.
Wait, what?
No peeking.
Okay. I'm gonna get this one.
You got the slime.
No.
Yep.
You don't even know if I got the... Never mind. Okay. Oh my god. I can't look. Oh my god. I got a little squishy.
Can I try this?
Look, it's a squishy.
Can I?
It's a squishy that has no eyes.
Can I have it?
Isn't that creepy? Wait. Isn't that creepy? Look. Shake the booty. you just... She just farted. Okay, stop.
Ew.
Just stop. Victoria, stop. Ready? Look at that. Big. There was water inside of the squishy.
Yeah.
What? Why is there water all over? Wait, what? Well, hit the baby mama when I was stupid. Okay. Oh, okay.
Where's the slime?
Okay, I don't know. We have to find out. Now it's your turn. I'm gonna check. Wait. Why'd you do that? Okay, ready?
What's that?
I don't know. Just don't tell me. Okay, ready? Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. I know you're peeking. Just close them.
1, 2, 3.
No, wait. Give me your hand. Get your hand out. Open your hand. Ugh. Stop peeking.
I want
Okay.
this one.
No, wait. What? Wait, what? Stop. Go again. She's peeking. She was peeking. She was trying to get the slime. Stop trying to get the slime. Stop trying to peek, you little cheater. Stop screaming. Mom's gonna get mad at you. I'm just kidding. My mom doesn't even get mad at me. Like, for real. I'm just kidding. She does sometimes.
What else? Foodie.
Ew.
Foodie.
Foodie. Come on. Stop it. Yeah, stop.
I'm gonna
tell mommy, stop. I'm not playing. Go. Okay, you're definitely not picking that one. Stop trying to peek. Little girl. Go. Stop! Give me. You can't get mad because you don't know what it is, right? Okay. Victoria, you're gonna get on my video, please.
Mommy.
Ew, what the hell? I'm just kidding. She's not getting on my video. Here!
Oh.
Damn. Gets me mad. So cute! A little bottle and Ryan. And I don't know why he's wearing that, but it's cute. That's cute. Look.
And the first is slime.
Let me see.
Just 2.
Just 2 more left, she means.
I'm getting this.
No. Ready? I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna... Wait, it's my turn. Stop trying to skip my... Victoria! Let me go! Damn, don't make me mad. Wait. I have to fix this. Don't say that. Say sorry to the camera.
Sorry.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What? Why does that keep happening? Keep doing that. Gosh. I don't know what it is. Don't get mad if it's slime or something.
What is it?
Slime. Don't get mad. It's just slime. You'll play with it after, okay? Yeah, but you're gonna play with some. Get on my video, bro. I'm just. That was a prank, right, Victoria? Victoria. It was a prank. Come here. Guys, it was just. I tried to trick you guys. She wasn't actually mad, right?
Mommy.
We tried to trick you. Victoria, sit down.
Poppy.
It's your turn.
Okay.
Okay. We actually love each other. We're not gonna fight. Come on, ready? But don't do that ugly face. Don't do that ugly face. Ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You don't have to close your eyes. You can just open. You can just get it. So this just.
I got this cute.
got stickers. We got Ryan,
I got this.
a monster, and a panda. How cute is that?
Roar.
Roar. Okay, we're gonna put.
Roar.
Yeah, stop. Stop.
Roar.
Stop.
I want to eat you guys. I want to eat. You.
Ew.
Ew.
I'm just kidding. She's not actually gonna eat you, right? You're not gonna eat them? No?
Yeah.
She said yeah. I'm just kidding. Okay, ready? Let's do the... Okay, we're gonna leave. Bye, guys. See you in the next video, which is
Peas over there.
tomorrow. Tomorrow's our morning routine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give a huge thumbs up and subscribe.
Hit the
Peace.
button right there or right there.
Okay, ready? We're gonna say bye to them.
Bye, guys.